Welcome to Sumadura Bhagavad Gita Vachanamrutam, a word to word and line to line understanding of Sumadura Bhagavad Gita verses by Dr. Smile Bell Verbal India in attempt to understand a better way of life. Today we are going to discuss the 18th chapter, that is Sannyasa Upasamhara, getting away from the things or ability to achieve leaving the things. The 23rd sloka which invocates like this: Niyatam Niyatam Sangarahitam नियतं संगरहितं रागद्वेषतः कृतं अफलप्रेप्सुना कर्म यत्तत्सात्विकमुच्यते. It means to say that नियतं, the one which is in an order, क्रमबद्धमुगा जो क्रम रूप से है, संगरहितम, the one who can get away the things, संगरहितमुगा उंडेदरो जो संगरहित रह सकता है, or aragadveshitaha, the one who doesn't have excess of interest or excess of anger or excess of hatred, ragamu dveshamu lekunda, raga और द्वेष ना रह के, कृतम, the one which is done, चेयबडिनदी जो की गई है, afala prepsuna, the one who think of getting some result or keep on having greediness about the result, falamunu korani variche, the one who does not have the greed actually, फलमु कोरनि वारिचे जो फल को ना ज़्यादा नहीं चाहते, कर्मा the deed, कर्ममु यत whatever जो कोई भी तत् that particular thing आयोक्का वह सात्विकम, the one which is related to the best of the behavior possible, सत्वगुण संजातुलु అయినటువంటి వారు सत्वगुण संजात है वह उच्यते is being told like that, is told like that by सी बोली गई है. And this sloka is explaining about the best possible behavior possible, that is a sattvic guna, that is sattvic behavior, the one which is in an order, in as a the one who does it with a rule, as a rule, the one who does not have excess of greediness, who will not have anything that can be influencing the minds negatively, the one who does not have any negative feelings in the mind, who will not have any hatred or jealous, the one which is done like that, the one which is done without any expectation, that particular thing is supposed to be the sattvic guna. ఏదైతే నియమబద్ధముగా చేయబడినది, అలాగే సంగరహితముగా చేయబడినది, అలాగే రాగము ద్వేషము కోపము భయము ఆందోళన, అలాగే ఏ రకమైనటువంటి అక్కసు లేకుండా చేయబడినది, ఆ విధంగానే ఫలాపేక్ష, నాకు ఇది కావాలి, ఇది చేయడం వల్ల జరుగుతుందనే ఆలోచన లేకుండా చేయబడినది, అలాంటి కర్మము సత్వగుణ కర్మం అని ఈ యొక్క శ్లోకం ద్వారా మనకు తెలియచున్నది. जो काम नियमबद्ध रूप से की जाती है, जो आदमी संग्रहित रह सकता है, जो राग द्वेष अतीत काम कर सकता है, जो फलापेक्षा के बिना काम कर सकता है, वैसी कर्म जो कुछ भी है वो कर्म करने वाले को सात्विक जन बोल सकते हैं. Now to extrapolate this for a regular life, you should be able to do things in an order, in a particular time frame order, should be able to do the things without getting much of the expectations, which should not be having any jealousy and should not be overzealous, and without having excessive desire on the result, that what is that I am going to get after doing this. That particular work or theme or the karma is supposed to be the sattva guna karma, and that particular thing is going to help the society really. And we should try to attain the sattvikness in ourselves. Okay, this is how we have to understand this. Thank you very much for watching Sumadura Bhagavad Gita Vachanamrutam, a word to word and line to line understanding of Sumadura Bhagavad Gita verses by Dr. Smell Bell Verbal India, in an attempt to understand a better way of it. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.